Hello, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is Tuesday, the 29th of December. So we're still in that kind of really weird period between Christmas and New Year when nobody knows what the day is. But I had planned that I was going to be doing one video upload a day between Christmas and New Year. But yesterday I didn't manage to do an upload. So sorry about that, but I am planning on doing a video every single day. And then on New Year's Eve, I have been working on a video collab with a couple of other YouTubers, which I'm really pleased about. And that will be going live up on my channel on New Year's Eve. I'm not sure the publish time yet, but I will let you know later on in the week. And today's video really, it's nothing kind of like, you know, I'm not going in the garden, I'm here just in a quiet spot of my house, and I wanted to share with you what I got for Christmas, the gardening related gifts. Already I did actually do a video about a week ago where Lloyd for Christmas bought me some fruit trees. I already unpacked those because they came bare rooted, and I did a video about that, so I'll also put that above in the cards now if you're interested in having a look at the interesting fruit and or fruit trees that I got for Christmas. But apart from that, this isn't like one of those big kind of crazy like haul videos or anything. I just got some really cool gifts that I wanted to share with you. Also, I'm getting loads of love at the moment about all of my jumpers, and you know, all of my jumpers, I don't really buy clothes, but when I go to charity shops, I always look for like funky jumpers and stuff. So you might not have seen this jumper before. This is another kind of like funky jumper that has come from a charity shop. So I thought I'd share that one with you, because I do know every time I wear a different jumper on my channel, people are always commenting on it. So yeah, charity shops are great because they always have weird stuff that people have bought and never really worn. So I think when I got this, it'd never really been worn. So yeah, this one, I think it's a parrot or something, but it's a little bit old now. But yeah, I thought you might appreciate that. But heading straight now into the Christmas presents that I got. Firstly, I'm going to go with my favourite present. Now, these came, they're down here, so I'm just going to grab it a second. These came from my mother and father-in-law. I did send them a picture of what I wanted, and they got them, which is so exciting. So these are a new pair of wellies that I got. Now, I've got a couple of pairs of wellies already, like some red ones and another pair. But I really wanted a pair of ankle welly boots. Obviously, where I live as well, it's always raining and stuff, and I saw these and I just had to have them. They were from Amazon, and they got me these actually. I was a bit worried about getting them in my size, so I went for the next size up, but they're quite big. And I did have a look on Amazon, and they're like completely sold out. So I'm going to keep my eye out and see when they get them back in stock. But honestly, I absolutely love these, and I think these cost £21.99. So honestly, I'm so pleased with these because I had one pair of like gardening trainers that I used to wear all the time, and I think they're like 5 years old, and they completely fell apart. And these are just absolutely perfect because I can just like chuck them on. But yes, here you go. These are my new gardening shoes, and I absolutely love them. If you like them as well, I'll put a link down below. And I'll put a link down below so I don't lose them as well, actually, because I really want to get another pair. But yes, tell me though, what footwear do you wear down the allotment? These are wellies. They've got really good tread on the bottom as well though. But these wellies, I'm really hoping that they've got quite like a big heel on. So I'm hoping that they don't wear through too quickly. But I've also put an insole in there to try and make it warmer, because I find when I wear wellies, honestly, my feet get so cold. But yes, so that was my first present I wanted to share with you, and I love these. I think you're going to love them as well, actually. But yeah, there you go. New shoes, which I'm so pleased with. Also as well, I reckon they'd be good for the school run. Like designer wellies, pretty cool. And then the next little gifts, it's not very many actually, but my stepbrother got me some of these paper pot makers. I used to have one of these about, I don't know, 15 years ago or something, and no idea where it went. But I'm so pleased with this. If you don't know what this is, I mean, you probably do know what it is. You make, get newspaper and fold, hang on. You get newspaper and you kind of like fold it around there, and then you push that down and it makes a pot. I'll put a link down below if you want to see more details of it. So there's like a really tiny pot here, and then there is a much bigger one here. I know Rich from the Veg Grower podcast, his dad actually made him one of these for Christmas. How cool is that? But yeah, that one obviously you can see is much, oh, whoops. So this one is much bigger. And I'm planning on doing some more sowings of some more seeds the next couple of days. So hopefully I can start them off in this much smaller one. And then we can go from there. So yes, that was my second gift. And then the last thing we got, me and Lloyd got, were a couple of bird boxes. I think these are from Home Bargains and they're like a couple of pounds. But we, got some new bird boxes. We had a blue tit family move into one of our nest boxes that we've already got in the garden last year, and it was really exciting going out and checking them every day, or like you could hear the little babies, the little chicks kind of squeaking or chirping, which was pretty cool. So yeah, we've got couple more of these, but these are like a softwood, so I don't think they probably last very long. But with the robin one, generally robins, they like nest in old boots and stuff in your shed, or they nest in hedges. So this one here is obviously, a much bigger nest than the blue tit one, or just the one for smaller birds. But this one here, they can just like fly into, and we can put this underneath our where our shed is. We've got an undercover bit, so I think we can put that underneath there because it's much more sheltered, and then hopefully this will keep going for a good few years. With it though, it's got some screws like right at the top, and it's got a hinge, so you can obviously take the lid off and then clean it out. But obviously with this one here, you can just put your hand in, and it's got kind of vents at the bottom. But with this one here, it's quite important that you do clean them out once a year. So that one there, it's got like some air vents in it, but then you will just unscrew that one there and lift that up, and then you can get your hand inside and clean it. We did actually look at getting like some USB, a USB camera for the other one we've got, but we haven't got round to it. So maybe we'll do that later in the year. But that's all I got for Christmas, gardening related. My sister has actually bought me a chuckleberry, but it was meant to come in November, and then they sent her an email saying it would be maybe March time. So I'm really looking forward to getting that when it does arrive. I think like the coronavirus has just caused, so many issues, so many different places. But hopefully that will come in kind of March time, which is good really, because I don't have anywhere at the moment to plant it in the ground. So if it takes a little bit longer, it takes a little bit longer. So yeah, that's what I got for Christmas. It's not like loads, but I'd love to hear what you also got. Also, I will say actually, this morning I have been working on a collab video, which I'm really excited about. That is going to be going live on my channel on the 31st of December. Not sure what time yet that it's going to be released, but yeah, that is something I'm really excited about. So make sure you put that in your diary sometime on New Year's Eve. Head over to my channel and have a look at that video. A couple of other YouTubers are involved, which is really exciting. And also before New Year's, I'm planning on sowing some more seeds. I'm so pleased though that I've already got my onions in. I already had some onions that had germinated, which was great, but sowing some more onions on Boxing Day was really fun. And also, I don't know if you've seen the video where I talked about the potato grow challenge for 2021. I can't believe how many people have already said they want to be involved. If you didn't watch that video and you do want to be involved in the Potato Grown Challenge, it's like an open collaboration to anybody, anywhere all over the world. It's a bit of fun, but you don't need to have a YouTube channel or any social media to be involved with it. So I'll put a link to that video above now, and there will be another video coming out next week about that. And also, if you follow me on my other channel, Erica's Little Welsh Life, I didn't actually do an upload on my channel last week because I had just so much going on at home with like Christmas and stuff that I just haven't done a video on there. But you will be pleased to know, finally got my mirror up in my living room. So I'll put a picture of that up now so you can have a look. But if you're not already a subscriber to that channel, please, I'll put the description to the channel below, but please head over to that channel and subscribe. Basically, if you don't already know, I have a house in Wales that needs lots of work doing to it. So we're kind of just starting from scratch now, and we've just quickly, before Christmas, decided to quickly redecorate the living room, and it's quite interesting. I found some the original Victorian stenciling on the wall. So yeah, have a look at that. But it's nothing to do with gardening. It's just me kind of working on the house, and there'll be some other videos like chucked in there along the way, like maybe even looking for new jumpers at charity shops, who knows. But there you go. I'm going to leave the video here. Sorry if it's been a little bit chatty for you, but I wanted to show you what I got for Christmas, and especially my new gardening shoes, because I'm so excited about those. And I hope you've had a lovely Christmas too, so I will catch up with you in the next episode. YouTube have some videos up now on the screen that they think you'll like, so please go ahead and watch those. And yeah, I'll catch up with you in the next episode. Bye!